Danke bafowethu. So i-management kaMayele le striker lesabulala Orlando Pirates ku-CAF Champions League seba-reach out to Orlando Pirates bafuna uku-offera i-striker noma uku-offer i-striker to Orlando Pirates basinikeze Orlando Pirates, but-ke kuzoya ngama-negotiations nangokuthi Orlando Pirates are they willing to pay around 10 million for le striker lesi. Yinto abayenza same naku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi baye ku-Kaizer Chiefs before uMayele aye kule team leya lena Egypt ekuthiwa i-Pyramids, bafike ba-offere ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke kuthiwa uBobby Mtaung wathi no, wa-reject i-striker wathi le mali le abayifunayo le striker lesi asiyi-deserve, izinto ezinjalo. So it will be interesting to see ukuthi Orlando Pirates izosayina na le striker lesi uMayele ngoba uye vele obabulele ku-Champions League. So ku-interesting ngempela ukubona le ndaba lezi ukuthi potentially uMayele ngempela bangamsayina, asayine i-Orlando Pirates ngoba i-camp yakhe noma i-agency yakhe, i-management, labantu abamrepresentayo yibo sebaxhumene ne-Orlando Pirates uku-explore ama-possibility ukuthi le striker lesi sesidume kangaka, sesishisa ikhoti e-Africa yonke this season, ukuthi singakwazi na ukuthi sijoine Orlando Pirates. So solinda sibone ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani njengoba vele siya ku-off season noma kuma-transfer windows vele azovulwa, yabo. So sobona ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukusithatha na le striker lesi. Okunye le striker lesi-ke i-Champions League ayikakapheli, sisazodlala ne-Mamelodi Sundowns vele ku-final enkulu kakhulu. Abantu abaningi vele bayi-expectile i-final yakhona, bafuna ukuyibona ukuthi izohamba kanjani, nanokuthi le striker sizokwazi ukuphinda futhi sime sithi siyawabulala ama-team ase-South Africa, but this time babhekene nabafana base-Klerkop. Amanye ama-transfer news-ke, ugoalkeeper we-Chippa United uStanley sokubonakala ukuthi ufuna ama-team amaningi. Kudala vele amfuna ama-team, angazi ukuthi after i-CAF aperforme kangaka lapha ku-CAF ku-AFCON, yes, ku-AFCON for i-Nigeria, ukuthi azange ahambe ngani because lapho bekunama-room amaningi kuthiwa ufuna ama-team wakuboma-Europe. Ngicabanga ukuthi into emblokile imali, nanokuthi Chippa United lapho beyifuna imali eningi kakhulu for ugoalkeeper, but this season seku-guaranteed ukuthi umfana uyahamba, ngeke asadlalela i-Chippa United because iminyaka iyahamba vele, uyakhula. So I think it is time vele ukuthi amuvele ku-bigger and better team. So uStanley-ke ama-rumors amakhulu locally i-team embhekile i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs istruggle nge-team, yabo. So istruggle kakhulu vele nge-team, uvuma is not playing well, and then nasebhentshini mawuthi uyabheka banabo Peterson wakhona abamthembi. So sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuconvince i-Chippa United ukuthi ibanike lo goalkeeper noma izokwazi ukuba offera imali engcono ukuthi nabo bathi okay, this is good money for goalkeeper wethu, okay-ke nakho-ke siya exchange noma siyenzani. Sometimes maybe banga offera goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs oyi-1 because Kaizer Chiefs they are looking to vele uku-offload ama-player amaningi come off season, yabo. So kuningi kakhulu nje okwenzakalayo lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi maningi ama-player vele abafuna ukwa-eda, maningi ama-player abafuna ukuwahambisa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi no-goalkeeper abanye basenkingeni ukuthi bangakwazi nje ukuhamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs or noma bazoba-release because they are not good enough, they haven't lived up to i-standards se-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ngempela ukusave i-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi bazibonakalise ukuthi o-goalkeeper basezingeni eliphezulu deserve ukuvimbela i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then i-Kaizer Chiefs they don't need to go to the market ukuthi babhekane nabo goalkeeper, babe bekhona ovuma no Peterson, but-ke na i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-market futhi for a good goalkeeper namanye ama-play inside the field of play, ziningi kakhulu izinto abafuna ukuzichange, baningi abantu abafuna ukubaletha eteamini, maningi ama-player are-linked to i-Kaizer Chiefs. uStanley, one of the goalkeepers of in Nigeria, i-number 1 uNigeria naku-Chippa United, ufunwa-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs, but kuthiwa kunama-European teams amanye ambhekile, singazi ukuthi kuyiqiniso naloko noma i-agency yakhe yenzela ukuthi i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs imnike imali eningi ukuthi imconvince ukuthi ahlale. Danko bafowethu.